Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. Inside you'll find keyless entry, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power driver seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.